In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft with friends on PlayStation 4 and iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up crossplay on any Minecraft world, and you can play with as many friends as you wish. First, I want to make something very clear. I am recording this video on my PC, however, all of the instructions that I give you are going to apply for PlayStation, Xbox, iPad, iPhones, Android smartphones, whatever you have, you can follow these instructions and play together. First of all, the most important thing is that you head over to the settings, go into the account tab, and you make sure that a Microsoft account is connected. The Microsoft account is going to be the bridge between you and your friends on different platforms. So you can set it up through this page here on account, or go back to the home screen and there will also be a pop-up telling you to sign in with a Microsoft account if you haven't already. After you sign in, go over to the play option and now you can create a new world or choose the option to edit a pre-existing one. The reason why you need to go over to edit is to enable multiplayer game. So you have to make sure that multiplayer game has been enabled for this particular world. Now, under player access, you will be able to configure who can join this world. You can set it to invited players, so only the people who get a direct invite from you will be able to join. You can set it to friends, so anyone who is on your friends list can join, or friends of friends if you want this to be extremely open. I recommend setting it to friends or invited players, depending on how private you want this to be. Then you can go ahead and join the world. Now, to add each other, you will be using the gamer tag that you set up when you connected a Microsoft account. So pause the game at any point, go over to invite the game, and if you have already added your friend who is on the different platform, just select them from the list and then send the invite. Alternatively, go over to add friend and their gamer tag or your gamer tag is going to be here. So they can share their gamer tag with you, you can look for them using the search function and send out the invite. Once you send out the invites and they accept, you will be able to see them on this list. Then choose them, send the invite, and they will be able to join this world to play together. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft with friends on PlayStation 4 and iPad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.